Hi friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Before entering into our today's video, I wish you all a happy and peaceful day. I hope you all have watched my previous videos and benefited out of it. If not, please check it out and let me know if you have any doubts or queries in the comment box. All my videos were beginner friendly videos which were exclusively prepared for the beginners and the intermediate learners to learn out of it. So far, you have extended a warm support to my channel as well as my videos. I expect the same support in the near future too. Now, let us begin our today's video. What is the topic for our today's video? Any guesses? Today, we are going to discuss about interview preparation tips. In this video, I am going to share you the things to be prepared before attending an interview, the things to be followed while attending an interview, and after attending an interview. What makes you the best person for the job? Preparing yourself well before an interview makes you the best person for the job. Now, let us begin with what are the preparations to be done before attending an interview. First, you should practice and repeat the questions which you expect from your interviewer in front of the mirror. You should repeat the practice and you should get it done until you get satisfied. Second, you should get ready ahead of time. Make everything prepared. Third, try to stay calm because haste makes waste. When you are too much tensed, you make mistakes. So, make yourself calm. Fourth, research about the company. Make enough research about the institution or the company in which you are going to attend the interview. Be on time. That means earlier. So if you have interview at 10 a.m., it is not fair to go there by 9:50 or 10. Be there by 9:15 or 9:30 so that you can avoid getting too much tensed and you can make yourself calm. Follow up after the interview. So, these are the tips to be followed while attending an interview. First, you should understand the job profile and the nature of the job for which you are going to attend the interview. Second, you have to know your CV because it is what you have given. So, you should be thorough with what is given in your curriculum vitae or resume. Next, prepare your answers. You cannot prepare all the answers, but prepare answers for the questions which you expect from your interviewer. Decide what you are wearing. So make proper arrangement of your clothes well before. Make sure your clothes were neatly washed and ironed because first look and the impression makes a very good attraction. It is preferable to pick a formal suit for boys and a neatly ironed cotton salwar for girls. So make your travel arrangements well before because last minute arrangements makes mess. So make your arrangements well before. Carry your resume and certificate in a neat file or a briefcase. So which makes you look perfect. Reach the place before time. Switch off your cell phone or turn it on in silent mode before entering into the room. So sit straight. Smile because smile is a powerful weapon. So maintain eye contact and pay attention to the questions of the interviewer. Trust yourself. Be a confident person. Impress the interviewer with your speech, the way you answer, the way you reply to a question. Vary your gesture because a single gesture or a limited gestures make you even more tensed. Vary your gestures for time to time. So point directly. Answer the question with direct points. Use open gestures. So don't contract your gestures when someone look at you. Pause, breathe slowly. Don't get too much tensed. When the interviewer asks you some question, don't get too much tensed. Pause there, breathe slowly, then answer while looking the question in the eye. Then use positive gestures such as nodding, open gestures, smiling, and mirroring. Now, maintain a comfortable position. So, this makes you sit for a prolonged time. Have a firm handshake, which express yourself as a confident person. Maintain a straight posture. Maintain proper eye contact with the interviewer so that it is easy for you to answer. Smile whenever possible because smile is most positive note, so it makes you feel positive. Avoid forgettings. Stop playing with your nails or your fingers in the interviewer's room. Correct hand movements are important. While answering a question, using hand movements correctly is very much important. Show interest to the question when interviewer asks you the question. Be polite even if the question is not yours. Leave a positive note. Before leaving the interview hall, leave a positive note to your interviewer. So 10 tips to succeed in your next interview. Research the company and the interviewers. Practice your answers to common interview questions. Study the job description and note required skills, qualities, and experience. So it makes you even more easier to explain your side. Answer the question using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Recruit a friend to practice answering questions. So you can ask or request your friend to listen to the answers which you are going to answer for the interviewer. Be prepared with your example of your works. Plan your interview attire night before. Plan your dress interview attire night before. Prepare smart questions for your interviewer. If you get a chance for asking question to your interviewer, make a plan and prepare smart questions. Bring copies of your resume, a notebook, and a pen because you might have lost a resume or something unexpected may happen. So, having copies of resume can help you. Tie your answers back to your skills and accomplishments. Connect your answers along with your skills and accomplishments. During the interview, these things you can follow. First, impression. Your walk, your talk, your look impress the interviewers with your attire. 1 minute pitch. Be short with your answer, but give a prompt answer for your questions. Avoid negative statements. Even if you are asked somewhat negative, just portray yourself in a positive light. Never talk about the former boss or backbite about them. Your skills. Focus on connecting your skills with the questions asked. Tell your story. Support your claim of being the best candidate by providing examples of the situation where you developed, enhanced, or used specific relevant skills. So, wait until the end or at least halfway through the interview to ask about the job's financial particulars or the salary details. After the interview, Kindly send a thank you note for your interviewer. The same things, research the company, be on time, follow up the interviewer, watch your body language, maintain eye contact, ask questions, and show interest. These are the do's and don'ts when attending an interview. Carry one item only because carrying too much things can make a mess. Shoe count. So, wear a proper footwear which is comfortable for you. Sit slightly angled, don't sit erect so it cannot make you comfortable for a prolonged time. So, use a poised posture, make yourself confident. What are the don'ts to be avoided? Smiling nervously, pursue your lips, stop biting your lips in the interview hall. Contract or expand yourself, touch your hair or face because these things show you that you are very nervous, you are not confident about yourself. Then top 10 most common mistake made during a job interview: bad mouthing previous employers, inadequate research about a potential employer, being unprepared with your answer, not paying attention to the questions asked, talking too much. So avoid talking too much, talk only when necessary. Checking your phone or watch during the interview, lacking humor, warmth, and personality, bringing in a drink with you, arriving late or too early, dressing inappropriately. Tips on responding to tell me about yourself. These are some of the tips. How can you respond for the question tell me about yourself? Start by discussing your current situation. Explain your current role and highlights, major relevant achievements and responsibilities. Work backwards by hitting key points along with your professional journey. Summarize previous experience and how they helped you to prepare for the role. Focus on the result you can qualify where possible. Connect your background, interest, and the qualification. The questions, some of the few questions which were frequently asked in the interview and the reason behind those questions. An interviewer may ask, why should I hire you? This is to check your confidence level. What is your weakness? It is to check your self awareness. The question, tell me about yourself, is to check your communication skill and your presenting yourself. The question, why do you want to work for our company, is to know if you have researched about the company or not. What do you expect to be doing 5 years from now? It is to check your career ambitions and goals. Now, some of the questions which is asked in IT interview. What do you do to maintain your technical certification? What technical websites do you follow? What is the biggest IT challenge you have faced and how did you handle it? So these are some of the questions which is asked in common interview. Tell me about yourself. What is your greatest weakness? How do you handle stress and pressure? What motivates you? Describe your work style. What are your passions? So when your interviewer asks you if you have any question for him or her, you can ask questions such as, can you talk about the company's culture a bit? Can you share me more about the day-to-day responsibilities of the position for which you are recruiting me? What are you looking for in a candidate? So you can ask questions that impress your interviewer. Good luck with your interview. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching my video patiently. Thank you friends for listening to our video patiently. I hope you all have learned a new topic from my today's video. If you have any doubts or queries or questions regarding my today's video, you can ask me in the comment box. If you have any suggestion regarding the topic for upcoming videos, kindly do comment in the comment box. Hope to receive the same support in the near future for all my upcoming videos. An important note, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel and make your friends and relatives and insist them to follow my page without fail. And also hit the like button and bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks again friends.